model, 65-plate Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 313 CDI minibus camper conversion body, green, minibus camper with a disability ramp mileage, 224633 engine, 2143 CCOM 651 129 HPA transmission, automatic, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Very slight boost leak from the turbo area, the van has full power. Bulletproof engines on the Sprinters, one of the best on the market. Gearbox is changing well and in good working order. Condition summary, this van is loaded with loads of extra modifications. Working disability tail lift, has a set of Gosling hand controls, all in top working order. All modifications work on this van work in top condition. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, cruise control, sat-nav EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call